with Tom. Just gonna ask you a few questions real fast.
All right.
First off, what was your favorite part of the Mini at Sea 2024?
Well, the Mini at Sea at 2024, it's nice because number one, it combines some education concerning the Christmas community, but it's also, you can have a vacation and your spouse is okay with you coming out and spending the money and having a great time. And it's a nice vacation, but you do learn things. You can walk away with snippets. You get to meet people that have been on the shows, Great Christmas Light Fight, winners, losers. But all the classes are really great. You walk away with tidbits of things that you didn't know. It'll help your show in the future. We did the cruise last year. We did this one. We're already signed up for next year's cruise. Next year, we're going to Alaska. Everybody wants to go to Alaska. It's on everybody's bucket list. So go ahead, reach out to Karen Matos at Cruise Planners and get your reservation for next year. It's going to be great. It's not going to be cold. It'll be 50, 60 degrees. It'll be a great time. Come join us. You'll learn something and have fun.
Hi, we're live with a representative from Lawson Family Lights. We're just gonna ask you a couple questions real fast.
Sure.
For number one, what was your favorite part of the Mini at Sea 2024?
Wow, there's a lot. Learning the new stuff. The classes were really, really good. And the family vacation time that we did some awesome stuff together.
All right, what was your guys' favorite part of this cruise?
The mini golf tournament was really fun. The only thing I really liked was doing the crafts during the adult stuff.
Hi, we're live with one of the Squire kids. What was your favorite part about this cruise?
My favorite part on this cruise was getting to meet new people and making new friends.